Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make royal icing. To make royal icing, you would need 4 cups of sifted confectionate sugar, 4 egg whites, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then gradually add sugar and vanilla extract. Beat as great Christmas cakes, wedding cakes, cookies, and even many other cakes and biscuits. It is used either as a smooth covering or in sharp peaks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.